Tom Gerber here at MarineMax Coco. Today I'd like to show you this 2014 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Beautiful boat. This is a tried and true battle wagon offshore for fishing. This boat is set up to do just that, and that's how it spent most of its life. It's a beautiful boat. It's in great condition. It's got a 300 Mercury Verado on it with 746 hours. It is ready to take offshore and do some fishing. So why don't you jump up on board and we'll take a look at the inside of this beautiful boat. On board this 250 Outrage, you can see it's got the competition leaning post with the super big live well that we were just looking at. I'm not sure I've seen a live well that big. That looks like about 35 gallons. You've also got the sink. You got plenty of storage for tackle, knives and pliers. You've got the bolsters all the way around this boat to lean on while you're fighting that fish. Boat's equipped with rocket launchers on the T-top. We've got outriggers on this boat. We also have Garmin electronics, GPS and VHF, fusion stereo system that has been upgraded. It's also got fresh water and raw water washdown on this boat. And as you move forward, you can see that it's got the forward cushion package on it. So those days that you're not fishing, you can take the family out and enjoy the sandbar. Relaxing seat with a table up front. Of course, on the front of the console, you do have the cooler seat, along with all the storage in the floor, fish boxes, everything Whaler's known for, and the bow pulpit for your anchor system. Just a nice boat. We're looking for some offers on this boat, so please give us a call here at MarineMax Coco. My name's Tom Gerber, and this is the 2014 250 Outrage.